How to fix Duolingo is having trouble signing in. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that will fix your problem. Now first thing first, make sure that the application that you are using is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store. Then search for Duolingo. Tap onto it, and if your application shows update, you have to tap on update. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, then tap on Apps. Here you will see all the applications that you have installed in your device. Tap on search bar icon, type in Duolingo. Tap on Duolingo, tap on Storage, clear the cache. Now if you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead and tap on Clear Data and delete the data. Once you do so, tap on Set as Default and untoggle this button. Lastly, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Once you do so, restart your device, get logged into your Duolingo account, and this shall fix your problem. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.